Hey everyone, Rachel here. My kids have been asking me to do a mystery video, like, you know, the smoothie challenge and stuff like that, where you pick random things depending on the number you draw out of the bowl. And I thought I would turn that into a dyeing challenge for them. So the theme of this, we're going to be space dyeing in pots, and I'll show you that in a minute. And the theme of this is going to be galaxy yarn. So, so each kid, I have 2 that are participating, they're going to get 4 dyes each. I decided, since this is a galaxy yarn, it's a given that they're both going to get black. So, as I step in front here. So I have 2 different kind of Wilton's black. I have, yes, this is the old one that you can't see. Hold on. No, maybe. Let's see. Here's the old Wilton's black that I'm going to be putting in one, and then I have the new Wilton's black. If I remember right, one is supposed to break more red, and one is supposed to break more blue. And so those are going to be given. So each kid is going to have black for the galaxy, and then there'll be 6 other dyes that they're going to choose from. I'm going to be including these 4 neon dyes, and also Wilton's teal and Wilton's violet. And I'm gonna randomly mix those into cups now, and I will get back to you in a minute. Alright, and we are back. I mixed the dyes in about a 1/4 cup of water, and I did about 1/8 of a teaspoon of the Wilton dyes and about 10 drops of the neon food dyes, the liquid McCormick's. So the kids really quick are going to do a rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to pick which black they want. So let's do that really quick.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, scissors, shoot.
They both got paper, so they got to go again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, so Jared got scissors. So Jared,
I got one
just
too.
pick one of the B's, whichever one you want. Alright, so
I want this one.
gently put that on your plate. Put this on Emma's plate over here. No, honey. Okay, and so since Jared, no, Laura, please. Since Jared got to pick the black, Emma gets to pick the number first. So what number?
I got a 4.
Okay, so set.
I got a 5.
Okay, grab the 5.
Don't
Try not to look in it.
It's so tempting, though.
I know.
I want one too. I want one too.
Okay, hold on. All right, Jared.
I got 2.
Okay, grab 2. Hold on.
I want one too.
You'll get one in a minute, Laura.
I want one. I got a 3.
Okay, don't grab it that way, please. You're gonna knock something over. All right, and Jared, Laura, you get to pick that one. Jared, by default, you get 6. Okay, so let me.
I got number 1.
Yay! Okay. So let me set up the camera for an angle where you can see the dye pots, and we will come back. So I'm just turning this on to a medium-low heat, and what I would recommend is that you put the dyes opposite of each other in the dye bath. So if we have 4, then I recommend 1, 2, 3, and 4. That way the dyes have enough room to spread out in the dye pot. But I'm letting the kids pour them however they want in the dye pot.